Okay. Yep, I got the video camera. Here's Mom shooting her gun.
It's on safe.
Oh.
It's on safe. It's on safe.
It's unsafe.
No, I'm not gonna let you figure it out. You shot way to the left. You missed the whole piece of paper. Shot to the left again.
To the left?
Yeah, put it on safe.
Where?
Place it on safe. Place it in your holster.
Let's see where her bullets landed. Oh, okay. So you have to aim more lower. This time it went
Aim to the
here
right.
and here. So you're still doing good.
If it was a person, they'd still be dead because your person's body's going to cover at least
Yeah.
that much.